Hey y'all, I'm Paula Deen. Do you really want to impress the neighbors? Well, how about a neighborhood cocktail party? I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite appetizers, bacon crisp. You're not going to believe how good or easy. My friend Barbara's having a cocktail party, and I know how difficult it is to get your house cleaned up and prepare all the food. So I'm bringing her a few dishes to help her out. But the one thing that I really, really want y'all to try is this little appetizer that I've been making since I was a girl, the bacon crisp. You're not gonna believe how delicious it is. I can't wait to show y'all this next little appetizer. They're so good. So I've gotten some fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to put about a tablespoon on each cracker. Now I've gotten my bacon, and I've cut them in two horizontally. Now we're just going to take our bacon and wrap it around that cheese and cracker just like that. We're going to bake these at 250 degrees for 2 hours. And we're going to bake them slow because we want that bacon to get nice and crisp. Yum. All right, 250 degrees in a preheated oven for 2 hours. And we're going to see if we can do this without disturbing Gertie's nap. All right. I've got some that's been in here a couple of hours. I'm going to set them over here. I'm going to step over here and wash my hands. I can hardly wait for y'all to make this recipe if you've never had this before. You're going to be so surprised that something that simple, that easy, can have the kind of flavor and taste that this has. They are truly spectacular, and after all these years, remain one of my favorite hors d'oeuvres. I can't describe how good they are. So I hope that when y'all have a cocktail party or you need a dish to take to somebody's house, that you'll think of one of these. So until next time, America, I send you love and best dishes from my kitchen to yours. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.